Hello, my beautiful friends. Long time no see. Welcome to Florida Kitchen once again. Today we're going to be doing like a green juice, but we're adding additional fruits and into our juice. So rather than it coming out a green juice, it's going to come out probably like a purplish color because we'll be adding some beets to it. So now we're cutting some pineapple because pineapple is the best for the green juice or for this type of healthy juice because it gives it a sweetness, a natural sweetness, and you don't need any type of sugar. And look at this. We have spinach, we have parsley, we have apples, carrots. Is there anything else there? Oh, and we went to buy some ginger, right, at the public store, and some cucumbers. So we have some cucumbers, some ginger. Ginger is the best. Oh my goodness, ginger has so many amazing qualities. You have no idea. It's really, really, really amazing. So now we're peeling we have everything prepared just for the pineapple. So we're peeling that all off. Oh, be careful. So we're peeling that all off, right? So that we could have, and we're gonna prepare extra juice so that we could have it for tomorrow. So instead of rather just preparing it tomorrow, it will actually be prepared for tomorrow. All right. Wow, he cut that really, really fast. Oh my gosh. I was reading through the information here on the website of the benefits of ginger, which we bought right here, and ginger is quite expensive. It's $6 a pound. Wow, in Publix. But ginger is good for nausea. For people that have the cold and flu, it serves as a relief during the cold weather. You could make it as a tea. It's also a pain reduction, right? It serves as a pain reduction for inflammation, for cardiovascular health. And ginger also provides a variety of vitamins and minerals, and it has very low calories. It's a vitamin B6, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, niacin. So it has a lot. And people use it for food too. So I know that in Asian cuisine they use it a lot. And it's actually very good. And anyone who is pregnant or has gallstones, diabetes, or a blood clotting disorder should discuss, of course, with a physician whether to increase the intake of ginger, but it's really good for those reasons. Now we're cutting off some beets. People don't like beet. I'm one of those, but when I drink it in this juice, it tastes so amazing, right? He's laughing, but it's true. It tastes really, really good. I was looking at that program via Netflix called Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead, trying to do the Australian accents. Really bad at it. But he did juicing, right? Green juicing, but not this type of ingredients. But he did them for quite some time, and he lost a great amount of weight. And he had some type of sickness, some type of rash. I don't know what it was called. And he was taking a lot of medications, and he started doing the juicing, and he got healthy. He got better, and he removed all those medications that were prescribed from his doctors. So this is how we're cutting all those beets right there. And every time I look at beets, I remember The Office. The Office, remember Dwight? He has a beet farm. I don't know who are fans here of The Office. There are certain episodes that I don't like of The Office because not everything is appropriate, right? But the majority of it is very funny and incredibly funny. It's one of the most funniest shows. So every time I see beets, I remember Dwight Schrute. So that's our last beet. Wow. All right, my lovely friends, so this is the end result. Well, not completely the end result, but the end result of peeling all of the vegetables and fruits. Here we have some cucumbers and apples, right? Here's some apples with carrots, right? Let's go around here and look at some beets, a pineapple, and all of the other ingredients that I mentioned before. And the house, I mean, the smell that radiates from all of these fruits and vegetables is amazing. It's a smell of cleanliness and freshness. So we're gonna use a juice extractor and start doing the juicing. Oh wow! So this is the juice extractor, right? Look at that. And we're watching some I Love Lucy right there. I can't wait to drink this. This is absolutely delicious. So what? Those are the apples? Those were the apples.
No.
Oops.
No,
Look at outside. It's so beautiful out there. Look at the field right there. It's beautiful. It's such a beautiful and lovely day. So it's the apples. And look, my friends, we're not even using any type of water. This is all juice. So those are the beets. Wow. We're gonna get a lot of juice from this.
So,
This is what, ginger?
ginger.
Ginger. Wow.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Cucumbers are such a fresh.
Yep.
Coming out. Wow. 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 Whoa. Wow. Amazing. And that's spinach, right? So you're using fresh spinach. So for all those women out there, if you were wondering if you're ever pregnant and you want to know what foods to eat, spinach. Spinach is so beneficial. And it's overall very awesome. Wow, and the smell is amazing, right? It radiates throughout the whole house. Look at that. Wow. Look outside, it's beautiful. Wow, and look at those fields full of greenery. It's just beautiful. So amazing. So there's a certain so this level is just off and on. It doesn't have different types of levels, just off and on. Wow. And it keeps on juicing. He wants to finish all that. Wow. You want just to leave that in the refrigerator so we could just grab a glass of juice and that's it. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Completely delicious. Wow, look at that juice. That's so amazing. My grandmother is gonna take that. Awesome. And this one's for me. Yay! Let me drink it and tell you guys how it went. This is absolutely delicious. And it's natural sweetness from the fruits. You could actually taste the ginger here. Wow, guys. Yeah, I could taste the ginger. All right, my beautiful friends, I'm finished this amazing drink while watching my favorite show. All right, guys, see you later. Tell me how it went. Tell me if you guys bought the extractor. and subscribe and share the channel, Florida Kitchen. All right, guys. Bye-bye.
Este tiene una gran vitamina.